Prokaryotic cells are the most abundant form of life on Earth. They were the first form of life on Earth, and they were the only form of life on Earth for 1.5 billion years. All life on Earth is classified into one of three domains of life. Two of these three domains are made of these prokaryotic cells, the ARCHAEA or Archaebacteria and the Eubacteria. Many prokaryotes, including many of the oldest lineages of Eubacteria and many lineages of ARCHAEA, inhabit some of the harshest environments on Earth and may represent the types of environments that the very first living things evolved in when Earth was much younger. Prokaryotic cells can have a great variety of sizes and shapes. They may be round, rod-shaped, spiral, spirochete, or possess a number of other morphologies. Most are a few microns in size, a micron being 1,000th of a millimeter. Some are smaller than a micron, and a few are hundreds of microns, a few even visible to the naked eye. Prokaryotic cells can vary enormously in their cell walls and membranes. While most possess cell walls, a few lack them. The cell walls may vary in their components, especially when comparing the ARCHAEA to the Eubacteria. Some may possess a folding of their membrane to allow them to reach a greater size, and there are a variety of other variations as well. Food chains depend on organisms known as producers, which store energy in biological molecules without relying on other organisms. So they do not eat other organisms or decompose other organisms. They may use photosynthesis, as many bacteria do, using chlorophyll and releasing oxygen as a waste. Some bacteria use bacteriochlorophyll and release hydrogen sulfide as a waste. Still others use sunlight to power proton pumps. Some bacteria are producers but do not perform photosynthesis or use sunlight. Instead, they oxidize inorganic molecules and are known as lithotrophs. And so bacteria have a number of ways that they can serve as the producers in food chains. Many microbes are heterotrophs in that they rely on other organisms for their source of carbon and biomolecules and energy. Different prokaryotes have evolved ways of releasing biologically important molecules from either dead material, if they are decomposers, or from living material, often by releasing enzymes into their environment and absorbing the byproducts of chemical reactions. These prokaryotes are essential in many of the nutrient cycles, as carbon or nitrogen or sulfur or other elements cycle through living systems. Prokaryotic cells are vital in performing many of the steps.